Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Megapixel Beast. Today I came up with Slay video editing tutorial. So without wasting time, let's get started. Open the CapCut app and create a new project. You need one video and 18 photos, so put them in one folder. Import it in a timeline. I always put them in a one folder, which reduces my editing time. After that, you need to set aspect ratio of video default to 9:16 because Reels support this type of aspect ratio. So please take care while editing your photos. Here you can see one video and 18 photos on your timeline. Please trim your first video at 2.4 seconds because it needs to change to photos. Now our next step is to set photo duration. You can set it by trimming your photos to not 2 seconds or by adjusting the slider. Here at start I am doing it by slider, but in later case I will try to trim video and adjust it to not 2 seconds. So you can choose it as per your convenience. Follow the same steps and apply it to all 17-18 photos. So you have to perform this task. We will move to next step. After this, we are going to apply filter to our first video, because we need attractive color grading so the video will be looking interesting. Here I tried multiple filters and applied one of it. So this video is shaking slightly, so I am applying stabilization. You can stabilize your video in CapCut app. You can refer our CapCut complete guide for your editing tutorials. So have a look once. Now I am adding slay text on that video. For that I use text tool. There are multiple effects for text. You can use it as per your convenience. Your photo size may be varying like 4:3 or 16:9, so you need to adjust it to 9:16. You can do it by just zooming your photo and adjust it to 9:16 ratio. Follow the same steps for all the photos. Then we are applying our final steps to our photos. You need an animation to every photo, like a zoom animation. So select any photo and apply zoom to effect to your photos, so it will looks amazing. If you feel this video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe. You can visit our complete playlist regarding CapCut complete tutorial guide. After completing all the steps, you need to export this video in 1080p 30 fps. So there is an option at upper corner. Select that option and export your video and save it to your gallery. Here you can see the final results.
Slay! Slay!
Stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching.